Alexander the Great, Ashoka the Great, Dalai Lama, Gautam Buddha, Mahatma Gandhi, Martin Luther King, Nelson Mandela, and many more like them. There is one very important connect between all of them. And that connect is leadership. They were all great leaders. And today's video is about leadership. I'm going to talk about how you can be a good leader. We all understand the dictionary meaning of leader, but very few can perceive or practice leadership in the true sense. The biggest art of a leader is to create great leaders. Gone are the days when leaders used to think that they are supposed to create followers. Even today's leaders have followers, but that is not their prime lookout. They constantly focus and work towards creating great leaders in their teams. When it comes to an organization, if you focus on creating more leaders, that not only helps the organization to have more leaders, but it also helps you to have more time and focus towards the bigger cause, or focus towards taking the organization to the next level. You have a vision, and it becomes your prime responsibility to ensure that your next level is a part of your dream and vision, and they start living the dreams the same way you have been living all this while. Now, how to create great leader itself is a vast topic, and I would be having one more video for that. But however, for today, you need to understand that one of the most important quality of a good leader is to create more leaders. Leaders don't invest their time in doing. They invest their time in enabling the team. They don't do things for the team, but they ensure that they are always with the team. Many times we get so busy in micromanaging things that our thoughts get confined to ourselves. We don't see beyond ourselves because the level of trust that you have on yourself at times becomes difficult to be let out. A good leader knows how to trust his team. So instead of doing every little small thing by themselves or taking every little small decision by themselves, they would enable the team to do those things. They would enable the team to take those decisions and at the same time ensure that he's always with them. Great leaders are detached from fame. They have a much bigger perspective towards their work, towards their responsibilities. They have a much bigger heart and always focus on the results and well-being of his team. When the team fails, they step forward to take the responsibility of the failure. And when the team succeeds, they let the team go and take the credit of the success. Because in reality, it is a team who has worked together, and each and every member of the team have put in their small effort to achieve and be a part of the success, and they deserve to be front-ending the success. So don't get carried away by glam and glories, because that is not your prime lookout. You have a much bigger goal to achieve than being carried away by fame and glory. Believe in your team, be there for the team, step in for their failures, let them take the success, and that's what a great leader does. A great leader has a big heart and they're always filled with empathy. You cannot let your team work on the edge of a sword. Many of us believe in getting work done with threats and scare, but that is not the right way of motivating a team. Your team needs to be self-motivated. They need a leader who's next to them whenever they're failing. They need a leader next to them whenever they're confused. They need a leader next to them whenever they're not able to give 100%. So if somebody in your team is not giving 100% or is not able to work to his or her potential, then you need to go and check with that person if everything is okay. Is there something that you can help that person to come back to normal? Maybe that person is going through a rough time in his personal life. So a great leader needs to be a great human being who's kind and empathic to his team, and the team believe in the leader that he is there next to them all the time. A great leader creates a great working environment. Everybody at work spends more time at work than at home, besides your sleeping time. So it is very important to have a very good work culture so that when you get up in the morning, you feel motivated to go back to your office. And a great leader plays a very important role in creating and maintaining a great work culture. A great leader constantly works on self-improvement. One of the biggest behavior that you need to exhibit for self-improvement is to be open for feedback. Even the junior most member in your team can come up with the brightest of the idea. So you need to be open for feedback from your team members. Grab all the feedback, go back home, go back to your cabin, analyze all the feedback, and then decide whether you want to consider them or not. And you need to work constantly towards self-improvement, because you would have a team who's constantly looking up to you, and they are improving every single day because you are working on them. At the same time, you also need to get better. So a great leader always works towards making himself or herself better every single day of life. Leadership is a lifestyle. It involves things like planning, structuring, teaching, listening, be open to feedback, self-improvement. And it is something that you need to practice consciously. Even today, after being an entrepreneur for 15 years, and after being consciously trying to improve myself every single day, I fail many times. But I will not give up. I'll work every single day towards being a better leader, towards creating more leaders. I hope you like this video on leadership. Leadership is one of the most important factors for the success of any brand in this world. A great leader can lead to a successful brand. Once again, friends, thank you so much for watching my video. If you like my videos, don't forget to subscribe the channel. I post a video every week, and this is from the good intent of creating great brands, creating great professionals, creating happy people. Thank you so much once again. Have a good day.